Good afternoon, Miss Kate. Good afternoon, classmates. Praise be Jesus and Mary. We are Group 2 and we are here to perform 1896.
Eighteen 96. 1, 2, 3, march! Freedom! Freedom!
The cry of
Balintawak!
and the echoes answered back.
Freedom!
All the four winds listened long to the shrieking of that song.
Freedom!
In
all the fields of rice and cane, shook the stalks with that refrain. Freedom!
we heard it.
From the planters in the vales.
Freedom! We heard it. From the traders tying bales.
Freedom!
We heard it. For the fishers strike their sails.
Freedom!
All the boys drop their lyre. Wheels burning loads of fire.
Freedom!
All the four winds lifted. All the women knelt to pray in their hearts that crimson lay.
Freedom!
Even the children and the old stood to arms and shouted bold. Freedom! We heard it.
From the askers and the trees.
Freedom! We heard it. From the drivers of the seas.
Freedom!
We heard it. From the founders in the lease.
Freedom!
All the people on the hills cry, fearing not to live or die. Freedom! All the thoughts of slave desire broke the voice that great desire.
Freedom!
Up the mountain, down the plain, louder, louder rang the strain. Freedom! We heard it.
From the makers of the brooms.
Freedom! We heard it. From the weavers at their looms.
Freedom!
We heard it. In the smoking smithy rooms.
Freedom!
From the temples, from the shrines, from the bosoms of the mines.
Freedom!
Crimson ball flash and light. Thunder voices earth its might.
Freedom!
Muscles out and spirit strong. Broke the chains with metal song.
Freedom!
We heard it.
In the bullets wide and roar.
Freedom! We heard it. In the farthest island shore.
Freedom!
We heard it. And shall hear it evermore.
Freedom! 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 Up! About face! 1, 2, 3, march!